Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Honda Civic and a dedicated race car. We'll explore how these two very different vehicles stack up against each other. We'll look at their performance on the road and track, their everyday practicality, and what kind of value each offers. This comparison will help you understand which vehicle might be the better choice for your specific needs and driving style. When it comes to raw performance, a dedicated race car is engineered for maximum speed and agility, often boasting hundreds of horsepower and specialized aerodynamics. The Honda Civic, even in its sportier trims, offers a more balanced approach, providing ample power for spirited driving while remaining comfortable for daily commutes. Race cars prioritize track handling with stiff suspensions, while the Civic balances comfort with responsive steering. For everyday use, the Honda Civic is a clear winner, offering comfortable seating for multiple passengers, ample cargo space, and excellent fuel economy. A race car, by contrast, sacrifices all comfort and practicality for performance, often lacking basic amenities and being illegal for street use. Maintenance and insurance costs are significantly higher for a race car, while the Civic provides reliable and affordable transportation with strong resale value. Ultimately, your choice depends entirely on your priorities. If you need a reliable, comfortable, and efficient vehicle for daily commuting and family use, the Honda Civic is an outstanding option. However, if your passion lies solely in competitive racing and you require a machine built for extreme track performance, then a dedicated race car is your path. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.